Hi everyone, I'm ASHVITHA, branch first year ISC. Startup company name is Machine Master Tech and Manufacture. Product present name is AI Cooktop. Product proposed name is Culinary Companion. Mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as set by the customer during the empathizing activity. First one, cooktop should be able to cook any kind of food, whatever told by voice commands. Second one, should offer Wi-Fi connectivity. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customer, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name is AI Top. Futuristic product name is a Culinary Companion. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. Recipe guidance should such that cooktop can provide step-by-step cooking instructions, allowing you to control the cooktop remotely by using smartphone. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured due to item co- constraint that mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. I request the viewers of the presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.